Are you looking for different ways to help find calm, or to break a cycle of pain, or just to feel less anxious? Well, you're in the right space. My name is Briana Pontius, and I am the owner of Touch of Nature Healing. I am thrilled that you made it to my site. Here, there are so many different resources in my blog and on my different pages. And you're going to find different modalities such as CranioSacral Therapy, Myofascial Release, and Reiki. And these are 3 modalities that I have studied extensively for over a decade. I am a certified craniosacral therapist with a passion of working with children, teens, adults, from ages of in the womb to the age of transitioning to afterlife. I really love the modality of craniosacral therapy because it is such a deep presence, a gentleness of touch, and your body has so many stories to share. And through my expertise, I am able to help you connect deeper to what your body has to say. So whether it's dealing with pain, anxiety, chronic conditions, or something that you just can't seem to break the cycle of, this is where I feel my passion can help you. I find myofascial release to be very supportive, and I have a myofascial release practitioner on my staff, as well as a Reiki practitioner, and you will find their information on my site. And I welcome you to message me with any questions. And I'm going to leave this with you. I give thanks for my path of service. It is an honor to help my community connect deeper with themselves, find more calm and presence, bringing that into the families and into the community. Thank you.